If you have been tired and frustrated with taking unnecessary losses and losing money with your forex trading, this brief video review is for you. If you have been looking for an answer to cutting your losses, or a tool that may help you to increase your odds of winnings in your forex trading, this brief video review is for you as well. The video will be a brief review of the Featured Forex Trendy Forex Trend Scanner software solution. Now, there are links below in the video description. If at any time you would like to go straight to the official webpage that you see on your screen, just click on those links provided below in the video description, so that you may see the Featured Forex Trendy Forex Trend Scanner software solution information more in depth, or follow along with me in this video, if you choose to do so. Now, when you click on the links provided below in the video description, you will arrive on the page that you see right here. We will briefly go over and touch on just a few of the main points of the page, points that we believe would be of most interest to you. So, when you get to the official webpage that you see right here on your screen, you can see that the featured software solution is said to be an easy tool, and is said to reduce unnecessary losses and increase your odds of winning by scanning all currency pairs on all time frames, and this is said to find the best trend for you. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll through here. Now, as you can also briefly see here, there is a brief video presented here that you are going to want to watch. The brief video that is presented on the page is to give you a better understanding of what the featured software solution is and what it may be able to do for you. Just take a brief look as we briefly scroll. And as you can see here, where it briefly explains what's inside the member area, and as you can see here, it is said that there are no thick ebooks to read or complex software to install. Also, there are said to be live charts of the best trending currency pairs and time frames, audible alerts, email alerts, a user-friendly interface, and more here, as you can briefly take a look as we scroll through. You can take a look at more of the information in depth when you click on the links provided below in the video description that will take you to the official webpage that you see on your screen. So now, as mentioned earlier, we want to focus on the portions of the page that we believe would be of most interest to you. There is much information on the featured official page that you see on your screen, information such as how the featured software solution is said to work, and as you can see here, there is another brief video presented here that is said to explain and show how it works. And more information here, as you can briefly see, as we scroll. And you can take a look at all of this when you click on the links below in the description, but we are going to get specific here on these certain portions of the page. So here, we want to briefly go over and touch on here, where it says, now a special bonus, auto-recognizing, triangles, flags, wedges, and trend lines. And you can see more explanation on this, as we briefly scroll through. Pay particular attention to this portion of the page, as it says, that the Forex Trendy is said to be a much more sophisticated application, capable of recognizing the most reliable continuation chart patterns. It is also said to scan through all the charts, on all time frames and analyzes every potential breakout. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll through. Once again, you can take a look at these details more in depth when you just click on the links provided below in the video description, so that you can visit the official webpage that you see right here on your screen, and go over these specific areas carefully. So now, let's go over and briefly touch on the portion of the page that talks about more of what is said to be inside the member area, and you can briefly see more here, as we briefly scroll here. Also, you can see here, that there is said to be a 100% 60-day money-back guarantee that is said to come with your purchase of the featured software solution. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll. Don't forget to click on those links below in the video description to go to the official webpage that you see on the screen, so that you may see all of the information in more depth. Now, make sure that when you get to the official webpage that you see on your screen, by clicking on the links below in the video description, that you pay particular attention to the information that is presented on the page, and also the videos that are presented on the page, so that you will have a better idea of what the featured Forex software solution may be able to do for you, and how you may be able to benefit from it. And also, remember the 100% 60-day money-back guarantee that is said to come with your purchase of the featured Forex software solution. Once again, we would like to thank you for watching our brief video review. If you have found that the information presented here in this video was helpful and insightful to you, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. Remember to click on the links below in the video description to go to the official webpage that you have seen on the screen in this video to get more information and see more, if you decide to choose the featured Forex Trendy Forex Trend Scanner software solution.